Today it's a rainy day with thunderstorm. It is not a good time to pick vegetables, but suddenly I want to eat cucumbers, so let's quickly pick a few. There are many ways to make cucumber salad. I'm going to share a simple recipe today, and I hope in the future I could share other different recipes of cucumber too. Oh, I also need my beautiful Lao trees flowers. Separate the cucumber flesh. Cut diagonally. Add half teaspoon of salt. Scratch and mix cucumbers with your hands. Under the green skin of cucumber, there is a substance called formic acid that causes bitterness and astringency. By using salt and scratch with your hands, it helps to minimize the bitterness of cucumbers. Also, it helps to drain the water and give the base flavor to cucumber. Sit for 5 minutes. Prepare ginger and mince garlic clove. One-third tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. The one I use here is Lao Gan Ma chili sauce. Lao Gan Ma or Old Mother is a brand of chili sauce made in China. In case you don't have it, you can use any kind of chili sauce. With just a few minutes, you can see the cucumber salad is ready, fresh, spicy, and delicious. Okay, let's stop here today. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.